Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the needed permissions. Now act. Open Discord and go straight to the server. Once there, open server settings and pick integrations or roles depending on your UI. Find CarlBot in the member list or the apps section. Select it. You need to see its assigned role and any welcome message automation entries. Make sure you don't close the settings. Keep the bot's role and welcome behavior visible so you can change them in the next step. Use the CarlBot dashboard or the in-server command panel. Both work. Navigate to the welcome module and review enabled welcome messages and channels. Once there, disable the specific welcome automation or delete the message template entirely. You can also change its channel to a private log. Make sure to save or confirm changes. Dashboard requires update or save. If the bot uses auto mod or reaction roles tied to welcome flows, disable those linked triggers as well so nothing relaunches the message. After disabling welcome automations, lock down the channel permissions as a final safeguard. Remove send messages for the CarlBot role or add a channel-specific override. This prevents any residual messages. Once done, check channel overrides and the server audit log to confirm changes took effect. Make sure to test. Invite a test account or simulate a join to verify no welcome appears. If something still posts, recheck dashboard modules and bot role hierarchy. Adjusting role position often resolves lingering permission-based posts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.